Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Facebook opening problem 2023. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook opening problem 2023, you should just go to settings like this, we click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook and you will enter here. After that, we go to click for stop. When you will end this, we'll enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache. Then we go to click clear data. And when you will end all this stuff as you see here, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for watching.